Wait a minute.
Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break.
Oh, my knees, my back. Yo. Hey, can you tell me more about that? These are our ugly guys, you know? Yeah. Very easy, you know? How about you try? Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. What lighter now? Yeah. You got two. These two already help my chilli planting. Yeah. And my back pain, no more. You like it?
1 hour later.
창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 게임 스타트.
Oh, why is doing this so tough? My hand hurts so much.
Bro, why don't you use this? Inferno Man!
Inferno Man? How do I use that?
Very easy, bro. Just open the lid, put your heater there, then we close it here, then move to left and right. Like this.
아파트
Inferno Man also came with the special lid. This lid is cover your eye when you do. You open like this, feel that it so hurt my eyes, right? So it covers, so the lid is covered. And then after you done mashing up, you can take out your filter and just go like that. Oh my god, you're such a lifesaver. Where can I get one? Yeah, and also it can be anti-slip, bro. So when you do work, you don't sleep like that, you know. You just have to safe. Okay? It's good.
All you gotta do is just meet me at the
about?
This app is about chilli farming.
Oh, is that why chilli farming has been so popular recently?
Yup, because it is interactive and engaging, and it also educates people about chilli farming.
Where can I find it then?
Oh, you can find it in the App Store or the Google Play Store.
Oh really? I shall go download it right now.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye-bye.